GitOps is the reason your Kubernetes cluster should never need a manual deployment again. If you ever broken your production by running kubectl apply with wrong file or watch your cluster slowly drifting away from what's in your Git repo, this video is for you. In the next 2 minutes, you will understand exactly how GitOps works and why your cluster should manage itself. Here's the old way of what we do. You write some YAML, you run kubectl apply and hope nothing break. Then a teammate, maybe SSH into a node, makes a live config change bypassing your Git entirely. Now your cluster and your repo are out of sync. That's called configuration drift, and in production it's like a silent killer until it isn't a silent anymore. In GitOps way, Git fixes this in one rule. Git is the only place where cluster state is defined. So you push the Git cluster update every time. The moment you push a change, the operator reconcile your cluster to match automatically, and it's continuous. Need to roll back? That's just a git revert, and the cluster cluster follows. Every change is a commit, and so you get a full audit of audit trail, who changed what, when, and why. Here is the loop what it make it work. A developer pushes to Git, the operator detects the change, and the cluster gets updated, and it never stops watching. It's something drift, a pod crashes, a config gets edited manually, the operator brings it back forever. So it's like a continuous reconciliation. 3 things to remember. Git is the single source of truth for your cluster. Argo CD or Flux is your GitOps tool which watches your Git and reconcile your cluster automatically. No manual deployment, rollback is just like a git revert. If this video clicked for you, hit the like button, subscribe, and it genuinely helps. Add a drop comment. Are you ready to use Argo CD, Flux, or something else entirely? I read every comment of you.